Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is the brand new Audi A4 2.0 TFSI, which we now have in stock, as this is a brand new vehicle. It does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle, and then we'll check out the interior controls and technology. At the front of the vehicle, we do have a daytime running LED headlights, ensuring you are seeing whatever the weather is during the day. Round to the side, the gorgeous 5-arm torsion design 19-inch alloy wheels. This Audi A4 does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line badges on the front wings, as well as the S-Line front and rear bumpers. Moving on to the interior, we have got the gorgeous half leather seats. In the centre, there is a pull-down armrest for added comfort, perfect for those long journeys. The passengers at the back do have the ability to control their own temperature, and just below we do have a 12-volt plug socket there, perfect to charge those electronic devices with. So this vehicle is automatic, it is petrol, and it's done around 50 miles on the clock so far. At the rear we do have the dual exhaust pipes, also the rear LED indicators. Moving on to the boot now. The boot itself is really spacious, plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on holiday, those suitcases. If you find that wasn't quite enough room, maybe you're doing some DIY at the weekend, then those back seats do fold down, giving you extra space. So the colour of this Audi A4 is Mythos Black, and we do have the aluminium window trims, which contrast really well with the body colour of the car. Back into the interior, we have got the multifunctional steering wheel, which I will show you in detail in just a second. The front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. These seats are also heated, perfect for those cold winter mornings, and we do have the lumbar support there as well. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out the interior controls and technology. Just to the right hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the window and mirror controls. You also have the ability here to turn on or turn off those child locks for the rear doors. Just below we got the button which will open your tailgate with. You got the light controls just here, which are positioned just to the right hand side of the multifunctional steering wheel, with the S-Line logo at the bottom of course. Using the buttons on the wheel, you can personalise the Audi virtual cockpit display, so whether it's information about your vehicle you want to select your soundtrack to your journey. You can also connect your phone to the screen, and then we do have the navigation system. Just to the right hand side we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And once your mobile phone is connected, you can take or reject phone calls using these buttons here. Moving to the left, we got the paddock for the cruise control. And moving to the center console now, we do have the 3-zone Deluxe air conditioning system, where we can set various temperatures on the digital display. And of course, turn on and turn off those heated front seats. Just above, we have the main display in the car. This is a multimedia interface, which is all touchscreen. You can do many things on this, including selecting what radio station you want to listen to on the DAB digital radio. You do have the very clear navigation system too. You can zoom in, zoom out and scroll around. Perfect to get you from A to B as quickly and smoothly as possible. You can also connect this car up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we head into the car menu to Audi Drive Select, here we can choose how you want the car to perform, like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle. This car does come with a rear parking camera and also front and rear parking sensors. Perfect to get you into those tight car parking spaces at the supermarket. Moving down, we've got a 12-volt plug socket and a USB port. Perfect to charge those electronic devices with. This car is keyless, so as long as you've got your car keys with you, press this button and the car will fire up. Of course, it is automatic, and we do have the electric parking brake. And then finally we do have the main volume control in the car. And that does complete our tour today around this brand new Audi A4 2.0 TFSI 35 S-Line S Tronic, which we now have in stock. As this is a brand new vehicle, it does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.